We have completed 5 phases of voting. Initial trends, and I am privy to information from every level, including the capital. I think it is everybody's belief that Narendra Modi ji will be back as the Prime Minister for a second term. All-round development which was never seen before. Schemes for the poor which were never seen or experienced by the people. This sort of outreach to the common masses has been the hallmark of Modi ji's tenure. म्हाका तरी हांव कॅम्पेन मॅनेजर आसलो साउथ गोवा कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन, जे एक टायमा म्हणटाले आमी जिखपाक आमकां कटींग आसा, खात्रेन शिकपाक हांव म्हणपाक शकता साउथ गोवा सीट निश्चितपणे आमी जिखता, नॉर्थ गोवा जिखता, म्हणजे दोन्ही लोकसभा सीट आमी जिखता. आनी जेन्ना दोन्ही लोकसभा सीट जिखता म्हण अशे लोक मानून घेता, सेंटरा ऑटोमॅटिक एक स्थिर आणि घट प्रमाणात बीजेपी सरकार येता. 3 ऑलरेडी मतदान जाल्ले आसा. मांद्रे म्हण नाका, म्हापसा म्हण नाका आनी शिरोडा म्हण नाका. आमचे रिपोर्ट प्रमाणे हेय 3 सीट आमी निश्चितपणे जिखता. म्हणजे हांव सदांच म्हणटा वी आर ऑलरेडी 5-0. आता प्रश्न आयला 6-0 करपाचो. प्रश्न आयला पणजे आमी जिखपाचे, जे बाय इलेक्शन चालू आसा. आता पणजे आमी एक पहिले लक्षात दवरपा जाय, इट इज अ कॅपिटल सिटी आणि सदांच हांगा आणि हे इलेक्शन जे आमी लढयता, लढाई करता, बाय इलेक्शन म्हण नाका, तेजे फुडें पार्लिमेंटरी इलेक्शन म्हण नाका, गोंयचो जो टॉलेस्ट लिडर आसलो, सगळ्यांक हांव समजता व्हडलो लिडर गोंयचो जावन गेलो बाब मनोहर पर्रीकर, तो नासतना जेन्ना इतलो व्हॅक्यूम जाता, वॉज देयर फॉर 2.5 decades, वय असर तेजो जरूर पडटा, तेजो परिणाम जाता. पूण हेजो ह्यो आमकां एक सेटबॅक्स आसतना सुद्धा हांव समजता आमचे बीजेपी कार्यकर्ते, सगळे बीजेपी लिडर, बीजेपी लेजिस्लेचर पार्टी आणि ल्हान तसो व्हडलो कार्यकर्ता समजून, आपण कार्यकर्ता समजून हे काम तेणे बरे भाशेन आपल्या खांद्यार घेतलेले आसा. See, when High Command decides, it is only that we send recommendations, whether it is 1 or 2 names. As you know, 2 names were sent. So they decided in their wisdom that Siddharth Kunkolikar is the candidate.
Do you think it's because of the family Raj issue?
Perhaps that could have weighed, because that was, as you know, now you will question me, but it was the press also which was questioning. Every press, every newspaper and every press member wrote on that. So perhaps that could be one of the factors which weighed heavily in their minds at that point of time, because BJP has always been protective of the party with a difference. So that was being hammered and banged into us.